controller has like gyroscope drift or something. Oh. Oh.
Old bull.
He's like.
There we go.
Hey, great work, Mac. Now let's take down the next challenger.
Protein shake.
That's it, baby.
So I assume title offense is just like rematches but harder.
Yes. You're
How
also
hard-
banana colored now.
Yeah.
How hard can Glass Joe get though? Think about it. How hard could this guy get?
Tempered Glass
The guy
Joe.
with no nose.
Wait, this is oh yeah, this is different. Well, I've never seen.
Viens te chercher.
Is there Kong? Where is he?
Alors, bien fait.
Oh.
Noise?
Oh wait, yeah. Oh yeah. I know.
Dodge.
It's
Dodge
Gabby J,
times.
guys. Look, it's Gabby J.
Yeah.
Is he making like a springy sound?
I don't
He's
know.
very springy.
Yep.
Okay, I'm kind of remembering this. Kind of.
He even kind of sounds like Tony Stark.
Yeah.
Alors ça.
It's what Robert Downey Jr. is doing now that Iron Man died.
Yeah.
Is he speaking real French, by the way, or is it just?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, just you.
Every character
All-
speaks
all
their actual
characters.
language, yeah.
So they just hire like a French guy to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think the game was made by Canadians, so it probably wasn't that difficult to find
Yeah.
a French-speaking
Just get some dude
Ah!
from Quebec.
Yep.
Stupid Joe.
Imagine if they had to get a look-alike for every character. To
Yeah.
voice them.
Punch out the movie.
Yes!
King, who would play King Hippo?
I don't know. Adam Sandler's Don Flamenco.
Have like Giancarlo Esposito like fucking Don
How am I
Lewis.
losing? I don't.
We're really about to
Never mind,
lose to
forget it.
Glass Joe.
Forget me saying I remember how to do this. I don't.
Ma tête est en pleine forme. Mais mon estomac est en bouillie.
I
You
feel
guys
that,
took-
man.
You guys took a French class. What is he saying?
I don't know.
I think
Think
he's
about
saying
his-
something, but the I don't know.
I
what
understand
he exactly
everything.
was saying, but yeah.
Basically, his head is in good shape, but his rest is in mush.
Yeah, hey,
basically.
yes, I was right.
Uh,
The one word I got was
I-
correct.
I don't know French. I don't know.
You
Wow.
said Spanish, didn't you?
I am in two French. I am in French too.
Yeah, good for you. No!
I keep thinking he has a beard.
his ears?
No, beard. I keep thinking he has a beard.
My stupid thing was set on upright mode.
Ah.
You killed him. You killed Mr. Joe.
I killed
First name Glass, last name Joe.
Well, what else would his first name be?
Ah,
Joe?
totally.
Don't be silly now. Don't be a bit goofy. His name's Glass. Unless you have a...
No! Ah,
This is only Glass Joe, by the way. I just want to say that.
I know. That.
Yeah, do the Bond introduction.
Uh-oh.
They call me Joe Glass. Speaking of which, we just lost to Glass Joe.
Imagine losing your title to Glass Joe.
Glass Joe's now the champion of the world.
Yeah.
Does that mean he is the king now?
Alright, kid.
Yeah.
That chump took your belt. Now let's
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Viens, donne.
I know
Well-
you can combo him infinitely. I keep messing it up. I do know that.
Where's Donkey Kong? Where's Kong?
Alors ça te plaît?
He is somewhere.
I don't think he's there. You off to the side now.
He's behind you.
Can
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah.
My guy. Stay slow.
crying.
You think Last Joe is a real person?
Yes,
Mon
yes.
docteur a déclaré que
Yeah.
tu es mauvais pour ma santé.
What is he saying?
My doctor says you are bad for my health. Something like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get out of the way.
How do you fucking know that?
I mean, I also just watched a video, like...
Oh, yeah.
years
Oh,
ago.
also watched the video about it.
Oh
Actually
yeah.
fluent in French.
Yeah, I thought.
I could tell he was talking about himself, but
Well, yeah, anyone could tell that because like, look,
You've been you've been fooled.
the guy who played the guy in Ratatouille should play Last Joe.
guys,
in live action.
guys.
Exactly. You can play him in real life.
The guy who voiced him even look like him though.
He is King Hippo.
Who would play King Hippo? Oh, I don't know.
I don't know, the guy who played Blob.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is Hulk? What?
Hulk Hogan? Actually, Hulk
Okay,
Hogan's
well-
like Super Macho Man or something.
Yeah.
Hulk Hogan's Punch Out.
Not even Hulk Hogan, just give me Mark Ruffalo.
I don't remember how to do the infinite combo on him. It's
Alfredo Linguini, I think his name is.
Yeah, but who voices him though?
Lou Romano.
Okay, but
Don't know.
does he look like?
Let's see. I'll show you. Here. Put this up on screen, too. Does that
No, he doesn't.
like,
there we go.
Oh, the croissants.
hey, there we go.
Alright.
You win. Yeah, win.
Popcorn coming out of his headgear.
Woo! Oh, hey, I like how we're also in a fucking place instead of a basement now.
Get that belt back, son.
Yeah.
Way to go. Way to go.
Thrower.
Take a-
Stop.
Take a protein shake now.
Oh.
I'll kill you. Hey, bitch.
Hey, Mac!
What is... Oh. Hey, what is...
Got a haircut.
Okay.
What's...
I'm taking a
What's up with the... There's something off about it. There's something different. I can't tell
It's
what
the
it is.
cut.
Just the
Buzz
haircut?
cut, yeah. That's all he does. He doesn't like train right. Like
That's all
literally
the
look at the
cuts.
cutscene. Like he cuts his hair.
Just cuts his hair.
That's
without
it.
his
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't like train or anything. No, he just cuts his hair. It's like I am ready to fight the Mac.
Still wearing pants in a boxing ring, but
Hey, don't knock Von Kaiser down.
That's literally why we're here.
Yeah.
That's true. It's a pun, okay?
Did you
Don't
say
knock it.
haha angle grinder?
Haha, angle grind.
Why were you like far away when you
Oh yeah, let me roll my chair back here.
Why is Von Kaiser? Why is
Wait,
Von Kaiser?
I remember. Oh!
I remember.
Who the fuck wears
famous last word?
Genuinely, who wears suspenders?
There we go. I remember.
He was about to say
I remember
haha
how to
angle
do-
grinder.
Haha.
Angle grinder.
Wario.
Wow, angle grinder.
On the Kaiser theory. That on that.
What does Von Kaiser say?
Haha angle grinder.
No, I just
Do you speak German, any of you guys?
No.
Some of it. A little bit.
So at the beginning he yelled combat boots.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, I do that too.
Shoes.
You had an easier time with Von Kaiser than you did
Oh yeah,
with
because
Yeah.
I remembered how to do the fight.
How do you feel? You just lost
Oh.
to Glass Joe, but not Von the Kaiser.
Oh, my gyro fixed itself. That's cool. Huzzah.
Just in time for
Disco kid with an afro.
Nice.
Oh my! Oh,
He took Von Kaiser's hair.
this guy's kind of fucking
Lord.
weird. Wait, what? No, wait, we have this on. Okay.
Oh, he looked right at Mac.
Aw.
Oh, he's sad.
Just take jazzercise.
Yes,
as
that-
one
yes.
of them.
Yeah.
Though he calls it boxer size.
5, 6,
Woodward.
7, 8, and stretch, and back.
Do you,
Now flex. Straight. Let's go.
do you guys know what he's saying? I don't speak this language.
Yeah, I don't know any English. I don't know.
Were you
Get
guys-
fucked.
Yeah, little known fact, I'm actually speaking Latvian.
Well, according to the lore, I'm in space with the infinity properties right now.
Right.
I'm just yelling really loudly, and you're hearing me.
Yeah.
It-
Yeah. I'm actually speaking Latvian, but it's translated to English for the audience. You see.
This
English
sometimes.
sometimes,
Yeah.
even though we're already speaking English.
I feel like Disco Kid could be the next Mr. Sandman. Like he's the top here. Either him or like Fairhanger.
Gotcha.
You know?
I want more lore about Disco Kid. I want
What's his
the
name?
Disco Kid spin-off.
Yo, wait, what is it? Does he have a?
What are any of these characters'
Fucking
names?
Go.
Yeah, I don't think King Hippo's name is King Hippo.
No!
You take a... you do a king's first name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I guess
King
it's...
Charles, King.
Right, yeah. Okay.
King K. Rool, you know.
Yeah, wait a minute.
What?
How's the name King K Rule work?
I think
It's like
Is it
two names.
First name K,
yes.
last name Rule.
yeah,
Well, the K probably stands for something.
I assume so, yeah.
it's probably his first name.
Carl with a
Why is
K.
he like erect?
Oh, oh my god! Why does he have a pecker? What the fuck? You bet your ass. You are fabulous.
Yes.
Disco Kid.
What?
What?
What do you say?
I said Disco Kid.
Disco Kid.
Like
I said Disco
Dixar
In on
Disco
this.
Kid.
Dicks out where disco. Wait. I just realized what I said. Holy fuck. Oh, no, that's not
Can you
good.
just zoom in on Disco Kid's like icon?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the Hippo Man after
This is
these
their
boys?
Pong.
There's no way I remember Hippo. I do not remember
I
it.
do not recall the hippo.
Yeah.
Well, you better remember the Hippo, sonny boy.
Bam.
Yes.
Why is Blast Show the one I lost to so far?
So how much
we're
money
about
did
to
it
fight
take for that
hippos
little effect
now.
in the ring?
We're about to fight an actual hippo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, bald
Like,
bull
yep.
trains with
Like-
actual bulls.
So like,
Fine, a
fight
bear
that
hugger
body,
trained with
go back and
bears.
fight
So.
the hippo, and then the hippo's like light smacks arms off or something.
King Hippo shows up on the back of an actual
Riding a hippo.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh yeah, the manhole.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he sounds like a fucking hippo.
I don't have to.
What?
Oh shit, he sees us.
Where does he go?
He found us.
He was walking to our house.
Yeah. No, he's already behind us.
Yeah.
People, the people walking by just seeing King Hippo in public.
Yeah, and like in New York.
Well, so why is he like that if he's a human being?
I don't know.
Okay, there's no way this guy's a human. A human doesn't make that. They actually just they got a hippo in the recording studio. That's what they did. They got a hippo to perform.
Legitimately, I couldn't tell you if hippos actually make a noise. I
They
assume
do,
they.
I think. They like bellow.
I think that is what they said. I think that.
It kinda sounds like a walrus.
And they.
That just the stock like punching sound effect.
Yeah.
Yeah, it totally was.
It's actually not that. The hippos and walruses. Like,
They're
if you think about it.
remarkably similar.
They both have like
I
like
tusks.
both.
I was
Yeah.
quite correct about me not remembering how
Both large animals.
Yeah.
with-
Because hippos evolved from whales, which whales, you know, feel.
Do we get a fact
Oh
check
wait
on that?
Okay.
I do know. I'm very certain that hippos did evolve from whales.
Throw it up on screen.
I remembered it. I've remembered. I've remembered. Like,
Bro's breath stinks, and I'm not even near him right now.
What?
I'm talking about Captain Manhole over here.
I've remembered. I've remembered the secret.
Jesus! Hey, stop your fucking cock. Oh, wait.
What?
I'm talking to King Phililu.
Yeah, King Filet,
Yes, I've remembered.
Falafel.
King Filet.
No!
Hero.
Ow!
What would...
Stock
Out
punching.
It's been an emulator.
Stock.
Do you think King Hippo's a PETA violation?
No.
No.
Okay,
He's
good.
a dude. Not a hippo.
I don't,
He is definitely closer to dude than hippo.
Yeah.
I don't think he's a human though, like, look at him.
He does have a nose. He does not have a nose.
Yeah, and like,
Yeah.
listen to him too. Like, that is not what a human doesn't make
Also,
that.
how come? Why does he only give you good information on the title offense? Is he? I mean, I guess because if you're just like an 8-year-old in 2009, you're not gonna be able to figure this out without anything. But
Also, fun fact about King Hippo's underpants.
Oh, here we go.
So I think Nintendo like made King Hippo's underpants like an actual thing you can buy.
Are you fucking
Why?
kidding me? Can
I
I?
am googling.
Yeah, you can
this.
purchase King Hippo's underpants, and apparently like the coloring they use for the yellow parts of the star can like cause cancer or something.
Oh, well, that would explain why that is the first result in
No one
Google.
takes your
Yeah.
gets away with it. Rematch, kid. Rematch.
So yeah, little known fact: King Hippo has very aggressive cancer.
He probably does. Like, look at him. That could actually explain a lot of things.
He doesn't exactly have hair.
Again, we're not even sure he's human. I fail to see what this proves.
Oh my god, it's real. Holy shit. The King Hippo boxer shorts are 60% cotton, 40% polyester jersey blend material. It's an elastic comfort waistband, size large in regulation, heavyweight wear. The King Hippo crown, right? Okay, fuck that. The Doc Lewis Remedy bar is 1.5 ounces of pure Belgian milk chocolate and is certified kosher dairy.
wow.
Just the thing for another round in the ring. The King Hippo inflatable desktop punching bag is 15 feet tall with weighted bottom. A desktop knockout. What?
Oh no.
What is this zinc alloy jewel?
What?
I don't know. I'm just...
The King Hippo's manhole, I don't know. What are
Jesus, crown.
manholes made out of? I don't assume zinc.
Oh, the great brain.
Yeah.
Join Club Nintendo today, Matt.
No.
Yeah, Title Defense fights have such great advice.
Yeah, can we,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
play
yeah.
that over?
Take
Also,
that.
how come? Why does he only give you good information on the title offense? My advice was quite good earlier, or my statement.
So King Hippo definitely has some sort of cancer.
Yeah.
Not sold on this.
Yes!
Let's fucking go. We did it, boys.
Oh yeah, someone dies again.
Oh, yep.
I think multiple. I think
is,
there were
is
multiple
the place
cases.
built out of like marble, or are the pillars and walls just like crumbling?
I don't know.
It is one of the two.
Adam, you may want to go on Do Not Disturb if
Kid,
you're not
you've
already.
inspired me.
True.
I think I'm gonna eat 2 chocolate bars now instead of 1.
Eh.
Chocolate bar.
my kind of guy right there.
I had a chocolate bar today with hazelnuts in it.
Ah, nice. I can't eat hazelnuts.
Neither can I.